Welcome to our STE News. STE News introduces recent science, technology, and education. Today is the 22nd of March 2023. This is our first show. The following describes the achievements and potential of technological advances.
Tesla's manufacturing revolution. Tesla is changing the way cars are manufactured by adopting a philosophy based on automation and efficiency, as well as a vertically integrated production mentality. Its use of robots has reduced labor costs and increased production efficiency, while vertically integrated production has allowed it to increase the quality and cost of components and reduce production costs. Tesla's impact on the automotive industry has led to the adoption of similar production practices and increased the adoption of electric vehicles worldwide. Tesla's direct sales plan has also led to greater transparency in the purchasing process.
Top technology news stories. 1. AI and machine learning. AI is being applied in healthcare to analyze medical images, provide diagnoses for patients, and automate administrative tasks. Autonomous vehicles that use AI algorithms to control their movements are also being developed currently. 2. 5G networks. 5G networks promise faster speeds, lower latency, and improved connectivity compared to their predecessors, with applications for healthcare, manufacturing, and entertainment industries. 3. Cybersecurity. The use of AI and blockchain technology is gaining attention in the fight against cyber threats. One of the most significant economic challenges of our time is the estimated annual cost of cybercrime, which is expected to reach $10.5 trillion by 2025. 4. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Blockchain technology enables the creation of decentralized applications that operate without intermediaries, such as banks or government agencies. 5. Internet of Things, IoT. IoT devices have the potential to transform various industries, from healthcare to manufacturing to transportation, by monitoring machines' performance, and patient vital signs, and enabling real-time communication. 6. Virtual and augmented reality. VR and AR are being used in the entertainment and retail industries to create more immersive experiences for users, and in healthcare to provide professional therapy experiences. 7. Quantum computing. Quantum computing has the potential to solve complex problems that are currently intractable for classical computers, such as simulating complex chemical reactions and optimizing logistics networks. 8. Green technology. Renewable energy sources are becoming more popular, and companies are developing technologies to reduce the environmental impact of human activities, such as sustainable agriculture and green transportation.
Reconfigurable transistor could shrink smartphone components. The University of Michigan researchers have developed a new type of transistor called the ferroelectric high electron mobility transistor, FEMT, which uses a ferroelectric semiconductor made of aluminum nitride spiked with scandium. The transistor can change how it behaves, functioning as several devices that can be dynamically controlled, which allows for a reduction in the circuit area, cost, and energy consumption. The transistor is well suited for high-speed amplification of signals for cell towers and Wi-Fi routers. It is a pivotal step toward integrating nitride ferroelectrics with mainstream electronics, offering speeds up to 100 times that of silicon, high efficiency, and low cost.
The emergence of unpredictable abilities in large AI language models, LLMs, such as Microsoft's Copilot and GPT-4's multimodality. Copilot uses grounding to prevent it from going rogue, allowing it to connect the abstract symbols it manipulates to real-world entities. GPT-4's multimodality allows it to deal with image and text inputs, addressing the symbol grounding problem. The ability to connect real-world attributes to representations in the model is a critical step in building better AI systems. Recent investigations reveal that LLMs can produce hundreds of abilities that go beyond analyzing text, including multiplication, generating executable computer code, and decoding movies based on emojis. Researchers are now trying to identify additional emergent abilities and understand why and how they occur. Emergent abilities are similar to self-organizing collective behaviors observed in systems that involve lots of individual parts. The advent of LLMs such as GPT-3 has brought forth many emergent behaviors, some of which is zero-shot learning, which is an LLM's ability to solve problems it has never seen before. The emergence of new abilities could lead to a better understanding of AI and machine learning, but it could also reveal new biases and inaccuracies in responses.
NASA and Boeing's Sustainable Flight Demonstrator with Radical Wing Design. NASA and Boeing collaborated to create Sustainable Flight Demonstrator with long wings supported by trusses for increased fuel efficiency. The new design aims to reduce carbon emissions in air transportation by up to 30%. The aircraft will have two engines, a tail in the shape of a T, and a single-aisle design. The TTBW design reduces drag and vortex at the wing tips, making it more fuel efficient. The new design requires trusses to support the long, skinny wings. The plane is expected to fly by 2028 and could be in service in the 2030s. Other efforts to make air travel more sustainable include using electric power and sustainable aviation fuel.